Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel and my first YouTube video where I will show you how to achieve this makeup look. So I hope you will like it and continue to watching. See you next time.
I'm starting with the eye cream from AVÉNE. It's super hydrating, I love it. Then my eyebrows, I'm using Benefit Goof Proof Brow Pencil in color 4.5. I'm starting in the lower liner of my eyebrows and then I'm trying to do the arch of my eyebrows, and then I'm going in the front and trying to fake small hairs. And again, I'm starting in the lower. I do the lower line, then the arch, and then the front. After, I'm using the brush to brush it everything together. It's nicer because it blends and it's more softer. All the products will go nicely in the hairs. Then I will fix it with this amazing product, 24 Hours Brow Setter, also from Benefit. It's amazing. Your eyebrows will really stay all day on the place. Then I'm using Nars foundation, Natural Radiant Longwear foundation in color Deauville. I love this foundation and I'm using it by my fingers because it's warming up on the skin and then I can work with it better actually on my skin when it's warmer. I'm using Beauty Bouncer, Jump One, and I'm putting the foundation on my skin with these small moves. I love Beauty Bouncer, it's the best. It's giving you this airbrush effect on the skin. Then I'm using Anastasia Beverly Hills Contour Kit, medium to 10, with a fluffy brush, this blending brush, and this bronzer is in the shadow or in the color of Havana. I'm contouring my eye actually with this shadow. I'm going above my eye and then I'm connecting the lower eyelid with upper eyelid and connecting it. I'm trying to make this foxy eyes look and elongate the eye, or the eyes actually. You see, I'm pushing up the brush to have it optically more up. Then I'm using the bronzer all over my eyelid. Blending brush is really the best. Then I will dip in the second color in Espresso and I will put it in the corner of the eye, so outside of the corner, and blending it together. But I'm trying to keep it outside, so my eyes are having a little bit darker corners. I am not going above the first color. I'm keeping it inside. Then I'm taking clean brush and I'm just going through the edges to make it softer and blending together everything so there are no fleeks or anything. I'm using the eyeliner of Benefit. It's the roller liner. Again, I'm going from the lower eyelid, then upper one, and then I'm connecting everything at the end. I'm not doing the eyeliner through all my eye, just at the ends. I like this kind of eyeliners. It's so much easier for me to use them actually. Then I'm taking the wet wipe to clean it, and I like to use it before all my foundation is done because you see, if it's not the same, you can still play with the eyeliner and you will have it nice and sharp. Then the lower eyelid, I like it, it's up to you if you want it or not. I just like it to line all my lower eyelid because I don't know, somehow it feels I have bigger eyes after, but it's up to you. Then I'm using Huda Beauty Lifeliner Dual Pencil and Liquid Eyeliner, and I'm using the pencil. I'm using it inside of my waterline. It's framing my eye, so it's making the eyes really sharp and nice. I like it. If you are not into it, you don't have to do it, or you can use brown color, also nice. let's say for blonde, it's nicer to use that. Then I'm using my favorite mascara at the time, and it's Huda Beauty Legit Lashes double-ended mascara. It's amazing, really, it's amazing. I'm using now the Nars concealer in Crème Brulée. It's having these peach undertones, so it's making disappear every blue undertone. So if you had a bad night, this one is great. Having amazing coverage. It's so super nice. I love it. I'm using it under my eyes and in the middle of my face, and I'm keeping it there for a little bit. Then I'm using Huda Beauty again, Tantour, Contour and Bronzer Cream in light with a synthetic brush. I'm putting it on my forehead and on my face. I'm not using it much under the cheeks, but actually I'm trying to use it upper because I feel it's lifting the face more up. Don't be scared, this product, even it looks now on the video so much dark, it's not that much pigmented. So when you're working out in the skin, it's kind of disappears. So now I'm using the Beauty Bouncer for the concealer, and then I'm using it for the contouring. As you see, it's vanishing a lot, so I had to use a little bit more. I felt it's like vanished. So yeah, here I'm using a little bit more. Then I'm using Anastasia Beverly Hills powder in shade Vanilla. I'm using it on the powder puff from MAC Cosmetics, and I'm gently pressing it under my eyes where I applied the Nars concealer. Also around my mouth where I can have sometimes the laughing wrinkles. And now I'm doing it like around my nose, and it's making it like contour already, the nose. My favorite powder, Hourglass. It's called Ambient lighting powder in dim light. It's beautiful. It's having these small shiny parts inside, and it's making the skin super juicy. It's so much nice. Then I'm going back to Anastasia Beverly Hills Havana bronzer, and I'm now actually using it as a bronzer, just enhancing what we did with the cream product. I'm going even on my cheeks and on my forehead, and I'm blending everything together. And again, with the powder I took it a little bit off, so I'm adding again. Then I'm using the blush from Sweet Peach Glow from Too Faced in this peachy beautiful color, and I'm a little bit smiling and using it on the above the apple of my cheeks. Actually, I'm trying to make it a little bit higher. My favorite highlighter, Maybelline in color Rose Gold. It's super nice. It's the subtle color. It's not too much, but still visible. And the price is amazing. And it's not cold. It's not warm. It's nice. I love it. I'm also putting a little bit on my nose, on the top, and then on the bridge. Then I'm blending everything together with the brush. I'm doing my lips first with the lip liner from NYX Cosmetics with color Sugar Glass 08. It's long wearing. I love this one. And I'm trying to use the lip liner from like down to up to make my lips more roundy and fuller. As you can see here, I'm going from down to up. Then I'm taking brush and blending it together because I don't like it when it's too much harsh, the lines. And then again with the pencil I'm filling the lips. I'm finishing my eyelashes with the Huda Beauty mascara. And again I'm putting and applying the highlighter inside of my eyes. Then I'm using Inglot liquid lipstick 17. It's amazing. So, and this is the finished look. I hope you like it. And see you again. Bye.